Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by deciding the single notification purpose. Pick one: watering, fertilizing, or pruning, and set why it matters. Once chosen, pick triggers that match plant needs: time of day, soil moisture percentage, or calendar intervals. Make sure to have the tools ready: your phone, the app, or a smart moisture sensor, and a rough schedule. Don't overcomplicate. Start with one rule. This gets the system active and prevents notification fatigue, so you actually follow through. Now you create the rule. Pick the threshold and timing that match species and season. For example, trigger at soil 30% or every 3 days at 8:00 a.m. Decide alert priority: critical for missed watering, reminder for routine tasks, and choose sound, vibration, or badge. Once done, test the rule immediately to confirm delivery and tweak timing by an hour or adjust moisture threshold. This hands-on iteration prevents false alarms and aligns the notification rhythm with real plant behavior. To finish, lock in persistence. Enable repeating schedules, useful snooze lengths, and a secondary calendar reminder as backup. Make sure your phone and app have notification permissions and that sensors have battery and network access. If a sensor goes offline, fall back to the calendar-based reminder so you never miss a task. If notifications fail, check app permissions, battery, connectivity, and notification rules, then retest. That one troubleshooting tip: always provide a simple fallback. Keeps your garden cared for reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.